When you ask people who are meditating, who are on the path of spirituality, why don't you be a full-time meditator? The reply is like you. They say, after my retirement, let me try to be a full-time meditator. When you ask why the reason, what is the reason, why you are postponing to the time of retirement, they say, I am very busy. I have no time. Where can I find time? I can only meditate morning 20 minutes to 30 minutes or evening 20 minutes to 30 minutes only. Maybe on Sundays I can meditate a little longer time. This is a usual reply. By observing, by just practicing sadhana, just few minutes in the morning, few minutes in the evening is not enough. Because the mind is working 24 hours, but you work on meditation only 20 minutes. There is a kind of mismatching, isn't it? Mind is working 24 hours. Really, mind is very busy than your busyness. You work hardly 8 to 12 hours or maximum 13, 14 hours, but your mind is almost working 24 hours for many, many years. Almost it has no retirement. Isn't it? People ask me, what is realization, what is illumination, what is enlightenment, mukti, moksha, all these kind of things. It is very easy and simple to understand. Just to give a holiday to the mind, that's what enlightenment is all about. Because it's constantly working, very busy. Make the mind little lazy. From busy to lazy. To make the busyness of the mind to laziness of the mind, I'm not talking about laziness for the physical body. Physical body has to be active at least 16 hours. We are talking about mind only. How to reduce the busyness of the mind. That's what illumination is all about. It's not enough to do just 20 minutes, 30 minutes meditation in the morning and the evening, 20 minutes on Sunday, little more time. It's really not enough. Not at all enough. That kind of meditation practice may give a sort of, a kind of little relaxation, little peace, that's all, superficially. You will manage your attention and stress a little bit by doing this, that's all. Not going further deep. The progress is possible only when someone is interested in to become a full-time meditator. The question comes, the mind is asking the question, if I am a full-time meditator, what will happen to my bills? I have a lot of commitments. I have family, I have children, I have commitments. I am the only person to take care of my family and also my sub-families. So you say, be a full-time meditator. If I become a full-time meditator, what will happen to me? What will happen to all these things? Everything will be collapsed. It's not very cold. It's okay. Yeah, thank you. The question the mind is asking, Why the mind is asking? So that the mind will be busy. The mind is not interested in meditation. The mind is interested in 1001 things except meditation. You watch your mind, you will know. You need to watch your mind, what it does, what it is doing. It's not allowing you to meditate. It's allowing you to do any other thing whatsoever.